I had a career as a solicitor, and kitchen and design wasn't really, I had no experience. But in 2006 I started a company and learned everything about kitchens and designs and installations and all of that. In terms of the design, it's moving more and more into one big area where everyone socializes. So the kitchen, the design has to work together with the rest of the room, and also it works very much as a show place. My personal view is that you can have a very traditional house and put in a modern kitchen into it if you do it in the right way. It has to work with the property, it has to work with the feel of the room. We can work around staircases, we can work around nibs and different ceiling heights and adjust furniture to work with the existing room. We really like to work with wood and all other natural materials, so steel, brass, copper and also stone. We try not to over-design things, and if you have beautiful materials that come through, then it's just such a nice way of letting those materials to speak for themselves. For me, number one rule is not to over-furnish a room, to really make sure that there is enough space. And there are clever ways of doing that. You can use the banquette seating and the built-in seats so that there is more space for the table and for the area around. Also think about the flow of the room. So if people like to entertain, they often like to cook. And then they have to make sure that the person who is cooking is not disturbed by all the guests. So think about where the entrance is into the room, how to place the cooking and the fridge and the sink area. It's an extremely rewarding and a very interesting and entertaining job, and the best thing is when the clients come back and they absolutely love the kitchen and they're really happy in there and you see the finished beautiful project.